How to reschedule your shipped order after it was rescheduled. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide or tutorial in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started with the process. So for that, we can start by opening up shipt.com, or you can even access the Shipt application for that. And this is the following interface. We can directly view our orders by clicking on the orders option in the top right and going over there. So when when an order gets rescheduled by Shipt, you will usually be getting a text message within the new delivery window and a link to change it. You can tap on the link message and view it up, or you can go over to the section called orders and you can select the order that was rescheduled, and there now, within this checkout page, we can look out for the section to reschedule. Usually, you can choose up a new delivery time. You can look out for edit option and click on it. Once you click on it, you can select up a different delivery time, such as Sunday, and your different delivery time. Once it is done, you can just go over and click on this option called confirm, and can continue the process and confirm it up, and it will reschedule time. If your application is not letting you do so, you can contact the Shipt support instead, or call Shipt support team, and they should, move your delivery time for you. They can sometimes manually change it if the app does not let you. And yeah, that's it, everybody. You can follow this method to reschedule your shipped order after it was rescheduled. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.